Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for several years ago. She's a model from Southern Cross, one of the best model agency in Okinawa. And I have this image, and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, since this is digital data, pretty nice pencil drawing type image, I use these two images to get something different illustration type image. Maybe change some colors because not much in color in this shot. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna check this pencil drawing type image blend mode. Let's see. Actually, I made some watercolor type image from these two last year. This time I want to try some pastel color to make it light image. Color dodge. This is interesting too. Look at her hair, yellow and reddish, hard light. Oh, vivid light. I got more colors on her hair. Oh, this is nice. Luminosity. Light image. Pastel. Okay, and also I think I may smudge on her face some. And we see some subtle colors on background too. Well, I'm gonna make group. Then duplicate this group, flatten this image first, then let's see, this is two subtle colors, so I'm gonna make duplicate, then one of the top I'm gonna change the blend mode to multiply to get more dark colors. Okay, then march down. Okay, we got now luminosity effect layer, turn it off to keep it. Now I'm going to change this one, pencil drawing type image vivid, or that was hard mix, was it? Okay, I want to use these colors too. First time to use this hard mix. Okay, I'm going to duplicate layers, this group, then flatten this group, this image. Okay, we got two layers. Get some real interesting. Okay, let me see if I change this blend mode normal to darken, we may see the colors on this. There was a hard mix effect the shadow side. Okay, well, let me change names first. Alright, I rename all the layers. This is original image, and this one is pencil drawing type image. Turn it off to keep it, this group. Now this is luminosity effect layer, then this one is hard mix effect layer. Now change the blend mode, luminosity effect layer, change to darken, so we can see through underneath of the image, which is this colors of the hair, which is lighter color in luminosity effect layer. So if I change darken, we see through darker colors underneath. Alright, now this is gonna be the base image, right? So I'm gonna make group. Then again, I'm gonna make duplicate, then flatten this image. Now this is rename. Okay, this is a base image, hard mix, and luminosity effect layers. We got the colors. Now from here, let me see. Okay, just turn it off to keep these luminosity effect and hard mix effect layers. I may use these pencil drawing type image and original image. So I'm gonna move out from this group, then delete this group. Now we see pencil drawing type image and also original image. Now I'm going to turn it off to keep it right now. How about move this pencil drawing type image over this base image, then change blend mode to divide. I think change blend mode to divide, soften up this dark lines pencil drawing type image. Only the color goes more lighter, lighten up, and also the grains, well, kind of dust. Which one is better? Too much, too dark pencil drawing type image, so I may divide this layer to lighten up just a touch. If I see this original image, tone down, then move up, or change blend mode. This is pretty interesting colors too, but darken though, this pencil drawing. How about move up? Yeah. Divide gets lighter the black lines, and original image color burn. Opacity about 30. How's this? This is kind of nice. Okay, this is original image. Then this is pencil drawing type image. Effect divide. Gets this much effect. That's really interesting. Now I don't think I'm gonna use luminosity effect layer only, so I'm gonna delete this and hard mix effect layer too. Delete. Now clean up 4 layers. This is the base image and pencil drawing type image. Divide to lighten up some dark lines, then color burn 30% effect goes darken colors. This is gonna be the base image now. Then this is well, I like this illustration image. Now I'm gonna smooth it out. Smudging. Let me see, just smudge with medium blend. It'll work. Smudge on this base image. We can take it out these grains. Just smooth out her skins. This purple image, I like that. Now I'm gonna add layer, fit in this layer with white, then reveal this, make mask. First I'm gonna use evolve. Now change brush to vulnerable chalk. Well, about this, I don't know if I need this white layer as a mask. I kind of like these colors, so I just gonna add these colors. Just leave it this way now. Then I'm gonna add one more layer for color. I may paint on this white layer. Well, it's maybe same thing. Yeah, just I don't think I need this white layer mask, so I'm gonna delete this. Then I add these colors here, right? Change blend mode to color, right? Then paint on here. Almost. A little more, emphasize. Yeah, make it nicer color. Now I may add some color layer, one more for normal blend mode. Just add color, then paint. So probably this is showing more much. Yeah, see. Yeah, pastel color. That's pretty nice, I think. Yeah, I don't use this original. I just like just the way it is. Well, I guess that's it for illustration image. That's it for today, and let me explain. Okay, this base image, this is I got from hard mix layer effect, and also luminosity layer effect, blend mode effect, combined together to get this base image. Then I add pencil drawing type image, change the blend mode to divide to lighten up some dark lines. About this much, and then I add original image, change blend mode to color burn 30% to get this color. See the background color, some purple, and hair color. And by the way, base image hard mix get this shadow side of the hair get orange, the colors here from hard mix. Then luminosity image is just about very orangerish colors and purple colors, then combine to get this color. Now original image is color burn to darken colors. Then I add color layer, blend mode change to color, just get this much of really very see it. I think this is just color, add some orange, touch emphasize, and cyan. Then I add another color layer, blend mode is just normal. This one is more, you can see easy. This is main color, like a shadow side, add blue color, and highlight side I add some green, blue, and also the lips and the eyes add here too, like so. Add greens on eyes and lips, and background with the Bonobo chalk, which has this grainy texture on it, so it goes well this around here. Okay, well, that's it. I didn't use original here, I just turned it off. Now I got really illustration type image. I kind of like these days this kind of light image. Well, I didn't make a whiteboard or anything. I did try it, but I didn't like that. I like just square frame outside. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, you guys have a nice day. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and see you next time. Let's be creative. Bye now. Ciao.